you create content, videos, graphics, or social posts. Tools like OpenArt AI and Artlist can help level up your visuals and audio. But which one is actually more valuable? Let's break it down. So OpenArt AI is an AI image generation and creative toolkit. You can turn text prompts into unique images, refine and remix visuals, and explore artistic styles fast. Great for thumbnails, backgrounds, concept art, or illustrations. It lets creators produce custom visuals without stock limits. Some of its pros: unlimited unique image generation, style remixing, and prompt-driven creative control, and great for thumbnails, social graphics, and concept visuals. However, it's not a music or sound tool, visuals only, and quality depends on prompt skill. Artlist is a music and sound effects library with thousands of high-quality tracks and SFX you can legally use in content. It's subscription-based and gives you royalty-free audio for videos, podcasts, ads, and more. Perfect if you care about mood, pacing, and sound production. Some of its pros: massive library of music and sound effects, easy licensing for commercial use, and built-in search mood and genre filters. However, visuals are not part of the platform, audio only, and it has subscription costs versus free tools. The final verdict: choose OpenArt AI if your focus is custom visuals, thumbnails, illustrations, concept art, social media graphics, and creative image generation. Choose Artlist if you need high-quality audio, background music, theme tracks, and sound effects with easy licensing for commercial video content. The bottom line: OpenArt AI for visual content view and Artlist for audio and soundtrack view. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.